Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create YouTube channel. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to create YouTube channel. So let's get started. So guys, to create YouTube channel you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar YouTube. Click on first link. So guys, to create YouTube channel, here you can see the option of sign in. So simply click on it. Now select here account. So I am going to click on this account. Now enter your password. And simply click on next. Now after that again click on this account option. Now here you can see the option of create a channel. So click on it. So first you have to select here your name and then your handle. So I'm going to type here the name and then simply click on create channel. Guys, here you can see we have created YouTube channel. So after that you can see the option of customize channel. So click on it. Now click on continue. So in this option you can see the option of basic info. So click on it. So guys, from here you can add your basic information such as description, language and contact information. From here you can add links, for example your social media accounts link such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So after entering details you can see the option of publish. So click on publish to save change. So if you want to change the profile picture, so simply click here. To change picture, here you can see the option of upload. So click on it. Select the picture which you want from this PC. Guys, here you can see we have created YouTube channel. So you can also create YouTube channel by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.